Hi, today I'm reviewing Google Pixel 5a and I'll show you how to enable or disable Google Feed on this device. So now we can see that the Google Discover is activated, and if you want to turn off this option, we should first hold for a while our device home screen and then tap the home settings. Then you'll see here swipe to access Google App Switcher. Just click on the switcher to turn off this option, and now when we slide to the right side, we can see that the Google Discover is successfully turned off. If you want to turn it on, by the same way, hold with your finger the home screen, tap to home settings, and tap to swipe to access Google App Switcher to activate this option, and we can see that it's successfully activated. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.